Hey guys, Bug Out Boy here, and in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Swiss Army Huntsman pocket knife.
Okay, so first off, it comes in this black leather pouch with this clip so that you can attach it to your belt, and this button so that you can open and close it. Okay, so the multi-tool itself has 15 functions. It has a 2.45 inch blade and a smaller 1.5 inch blade. It also comes with a wood saw, a pair of scissors, 2 screwdrivers, a bottle opener, a wire stripper, and a can opener. It also comes with this corkscrew, a reamer, and this hook. It also has a toothpick and a pair of tweezers. Okay, so the knife and all the other tools are made out of stainless steel, and the handle is made out of polished red ABS scales.
Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I would definitely like to recommend this product. It's durable, compact, and it's just a really good quality multi-tool. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.